Are you ready to start your own organic farm in 2025? If so, then this video is for you. We will discuss 7 easy steps that will help you start your journey towards successful organic farming. From planning to implementation, we'll cover it all. So let's get started. Step 1. Know your soil. The first step to starting an organic farm is knowing your soil. You need to understand its composition and fertility levels in order to make adjustments that will allow you to grow healthy crops. A simple way to do this is by getting a soil test from a local agricultural extension office. This will give you valuable insight into what amendments or changes need to be made before planting anything. Step 2. Choose the right crops. Once you know what you're working with, it's time to decide what you want to grow. If you live in a warm climate, consider growing crops such as tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. In cooler climates, try lettuce, spinach, and other greens. It is also important to take into account the water requirements of each crop as well as their pest and disease resistance. Step 3. Plan for water management. Another crucial aspect of organic farming is planning for water management. This means considering how much water your crops will need and how you'll provide it. One option is to use rainwater harvesting systems, which can help reduce costs and increase sustainability. Additionally, you may want to look into drip irrigation as a way to conserve water and provide the plants with the exact amount they need. Step 4. Get the right equipment. Depending on the size of your farm, you may need to invest in equipment such as tillers, cultivators, and harvesters. Fortunately, many of these tools are available used, so be sure to check local classifieds or online marketplaces. You may also consider renting equipment if you only need it occasionally. Step 5. Find your market. Before you begin farming, it's important to have a plan in place for how and where you will sell your produce. One option is to sell directly to customers through farmers markets or CSAs, which are community-supported agriculture programs. You can also approach local restaurants or grocery stores to see if they would be interested in carrying your products. Step 6. Start small and scale gradually. When starting your organic farm, it's best to start small and scale gradually. This means beginning with just a few crops or livestock and expanding as you gain experience and knowledge. This approach will help you avoid costly mistakes and ensure that you can handle the workload. Step 7. Learn from others. Finally, don't be afraid to reach out to other farmers for advice and support. Many farmers are willing to share their knowledge and experience to help you succeed. You can also find helpful resources online or through local agricultural extension offices. Starting an organic farm can be a rewarding experience. By following these 7 easy steps, you'll be on your way to growing your own sustainable and eco-friendly farm in no time. Good luck and happy farming. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.